Have you ever wondered what it would be like to lose one of your senses? Or, what if you could have just a few days to see the world through new eyes? Today, we are diving into an inspiring essay by Helen Keller called 3 Days to See. This powerful piece shares her thoughts on what she would do if she could see for just 3 days, and it encourages us to appreciate our senses. Let's start by experiencing nature. The essay starts with Helen Keller explaining how she finds joy in touching things, even though she is blind. She feels the shape of a leaf, the smooth bark of a tree, or the rough surface of a pine. In spring, she touches tree branches to find buds, which show nature waking up after winter. Sometimes, she feels a bird shaking with song on a branch, which makes her happy. However, she wishes she could see these things, as sight would show her even more beauty. She imagines having 3 days of sight and divides them into three parts. On the first day, Helen wants to see the people who have made her life special with their kindness and friendship. Since she cannot see, she knows her friends by touching their faces, feeling if they are happy or sad. She wishes to look into their eyes to understand their true feelings, calling eyes the window of the soul. This day is about spending time with loved ones and appreciating their importance in her life. Moving on to the second day, Helen would wake up early to watch the sun rise when night turns into day with beautiful light. She plans to visit museums to learn about the world's past and present. In museums, she would see models of old animals like dinosaurs and learn about how people have grown smarter over time. This day is about enjoying nature's beauty and understanding the history of life. Now, for the third day, Helen would go to a busy city to watch people living their daily lives. Standing at a street corner, she would look at their faces to see if they were smiling, serious, or sad. She feels happy seeing smiles, proud of people working hard, and kind towards those who are struggling. This day is about understanding the lives of ordinary people and feeling connected to them. As the 3 days come to an end, Helen knew she would become blind again. She also suggests listening to music, touching things, smelling flowers, and tasting food as if those senses could be gone. She understands that 3 days are not enough to see everything she wants. Helen tells people who can see to use their eyes as if they might lose their sight tomorrow. She believes that using all senses fully helps us find happiness in life, but she thinks sight is the most wonderful sense. The moral of the story teaches us to appreciate our senses and use them to enjoy the world around us. Helen Keller demonstrates that even tiny things, like a leaf or a smile, can be very special. By reflecting on what life would be like without a sense, she helps us understand the value of what we have. The story encourages us to show kindness to those who cannot see or hear. Finally, it inspires us to live each day with a sense of wonder and gratitude. In summary, Helen Keller's essay reminds us to cherish our senses and the beauty around us. By sharing her imagined experiences, she encourages us to find joy in everyday moments and show kindness to others. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.